Hello, hello. David Bradley here in the TV room. I did some shuffling. I'm not sure we're quite there yet. Need more space here. Also, the 80 column video cable is quite short. Alright, so, you know what? Alright, power supply. As much as I don't like doing this, with great care, I'm going to put the power supply on the floor. There we are. Now I can put other things here. Move this over here. Flip the keyboard over. And plug back in the 80 column connection here. Okay, so I think we're some better. Let us verify that we're still working. We're still working. Da, 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 da. 80 column switch. Oh. Okay, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Okay, it is a little disturbing that sometimes things don't happen. But then they do go 64. Are you sure? Yes. Oop, push the button in. Okay, so we're going to turn that off. We're in. Okay, see how this could be part of the thing. Much keyboard input. All right, so here we have a chip. You know what I might do to help me make sure I don't screw up what's what. I'm not going to put this chip in this board. I'm just going to set it on the board so that I know what I know, what I know. All right, so here is the 128 board that we're taking things out of. And this too is quite covered in stuff, which I suppose I could wipe off. I could wipe it off. I'll see about that. Because I'm going to get more of this white slime. I am. Alright, so... Oh, it doesn't come off very well. Anyway, it really doesn't matter. Oh dear, 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 dear. I am suffering from pink eye. And occasionally, my eye wants me to rip it out. Okay, well, anyway, this is a U33. It is U33. I will carefully line it up, turn it on, and it comes up. Alright, hang on. Pick this up. Push this down. 80 column mode. It comes up, and we'll say go 64. Yes. And then we'll check over here. And we are working. I wonder, can I turn this a little bit? No, not really. Okay, so power off. Sharpie. Oop. I'll take this out. And then on the bottom, to make sure that I don't foul things up, I will write U. Maybe I did that in a bad spot. Maybe there's no real good spot to put it. Oh, I'll just do it over that thing. U33. Okay. Good. And now I will put this chip. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh. Sorry, that was a sneeze. I will put this chip on the other board in the configuration. Ah, that was another sneeze. Okay. Ugh. Okay, the pins are all looking good on this chip that I'm about to put back in. I will turn this on. It will come up in that mode. And you know what? I could do more. That's fine. It's good. It's good. Let's grab this 128 here. And this time we'll go for U34. I'm suspecting these are ROM chips. I am suspecting. That is what I'm thinking. Okay. Set that here. I'm going to pull out U34. Gentle twist with a bent screwdriver, which is very much like the chip puller that I have somewhere that Al Payne gave to me at the World of Commodore. Check the pins. Always check the pins. And we're in. And we're going on. Okay. That's a good. Very, very good. So I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to pull this out. Remember with troubleshooting. One thing at a time. One thing at a time. Does it take longer? Perhaps. But does it take longer when you do a bunch of things and then you don't know and you have to undo and you have to do it all again, over and over? U34. And I will put it over here on this board in position. And then I will take the chip that is covered in white slime, making sure that the pins are fine, the witness mark is fine, everything is fine. Okay, we're getting there. So, as there is one more, what appears to be a round chip here, that is U35. We'll pop that out. Well, with great care and reverence, pop out this U35. we'll check the pins. Put it in. Turn it on. Oh. We could have a wiener. Oh yeah, we got something going on here. Hang on. We could have a bad ship. Or not. Now that's peculiar. It was doing strange things. Of course, maybe this 128 here is already doing strange things. Alright, push that in. Pop that out. Press the reset. We're up. Hold the Commodore key. Press the reset. Mighty peculiar, that. But it does seem to be okay, but I've had things with this thing where it doesn't exactly always fire up just so. Very strange. Okay. Get that out. Sometimes I just leave chips in. I'm not doing that today. Okay. Da-da-da-da, U-35. U-35. Alright. So I'm going to put this over on this board where that would be. And now I've got some more delicate stuff I've got to get out. So anyway, I'll see you again next time back here in the TV room, tinkering on Commodore 128. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.